In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install resource packs for any version of Minecraft on your Mac. The first thing we need to do is to open our web browser, or you want to go to the resource pack website of your choice, and for this example we are using modrinf.com. From here you want to scroll down and you want to click on Discover Mods. Now you want to go ahead and click on Resource Pack tab at the very top, and here it will list all of the resource packs available, so you want to go ahead and select one. Now I recommend you filter these by the Minecraft version you want to play it for, otherwise you may have incompatibility issues. So to do this you want to scroll down until you find the game version on the left hand side menu, and you want to select your Minecraft version. So for this example it's going to be 1.21.4. Now these have been filtered, you want to go ahead and select a resource pack. For this example we are going to select the Faithful 64 resource pack, so we're going to click onto it. Once you're inside the resource pack page you want to click on the versions tab near the top, and then you want to go ahead and select the one for your Minecraft version. So for this example it's going to be 1.21.4. Once you've clicked into it you want to click on the green download button, and then you want to go ahead and save the resource pack to your Mac, and for this example I'm going to save it to my desktop. Now we've downloaded our resource pack, we just need to go ahead and install it. So to do this you want to open your Minecraft launcher, and then you want to make sure you've selected the Minecraft version you want to play it with. So this is 1.21.4. Once Minecraft has opened, we want to go ahead and click on the options menu, and then you want to click on resource packs. From here you want to click on open pack folder, and this will open your resource pack folder, which will look like this. Now you simply want to drag and drop your downloaded resource packs into this folder. Now we've done that, we can exit out of the resource pack folder and it should appear in Minecraft. Now we simply want to click the arrow to move it from the available column to the selected column like this. Now it's also important to make sure that the resource pack you want to use is on top, which will prioritize this pack. So for example if it's on the bottom like this it will not work, so you want to make sure it's at the top. Now we've done this you want to click on done, and it will reload into the resource pack, and you may notice that your Minecraft menus may change to the new resource pack. So if we click on done, and then we go ahead and play a Minecraft game, as you can see the new resource pack is working. So this one for example is Faithful 64, which is based off the vanilla resource textures, however it's a bit more higher resolution. As you can see it is a little more detailed. So we can go ahead and start playing Minecraft with our resource pack just as we normally would. And that's it. So if this video was helpful please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments you can leave them below.